Hello children, welcome to today's maths class. Children, today we will learn number counting 1 to 20. And then I'm going to teach you to write number 8 in the maths notebook and in the maths activity book. So children, let's start our today's learning. Children, let's learn number counting 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now comes 5, 6, 7, 8. After 8, 9. Now comes 10, 11, 12, 13. Now comes 14. This is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and here comes 20. Let's repeat the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, and 2, 0, 20. Children, now let's practice our rhyme which is based on numbers and it's number rhyme. So let's start. 1, 1, 1, little puppy run. 2, 2, 2, cat says meow. 3, 3, 3, monkeys on the tree. 4, 4, 4, rats on the floor. 5, 5, 5, see the dragon fly. 6, 6, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 7, 7, God in the heaven. 8, 8, 8, sorry I am late. 9, 9, 9, thank you I am fine. 10, 10, 10, a big fat hen. A big fat hen. In this way children, you have to learn this rhyme which is based on numbers. Children, bring your math activity for generations book and open its page number 12. Write today's date. Today is 14th July 2021 like this. Children, today you have to trace and write number 8. Let's count these footballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they are total 8 in numbers and 8 means this. Now you have to trace and write number 8. First, children, put your pencil on this pink dot and then you have to trace and write slowly, slowly like this. You will be able to learn how to write number 8 like this. In this way you have to finish the first line. See, we are on the second line. See, you have to start from this pink dot, then go downside like this, and then you have to come and join it with the pink dot again. Like this you have to write. From here you have to write on your own like this. Okay, again you will finish the third line by tracing number 8, by tracing the dots till here, and in these two blocks you have to write on your own like this. You have to touch the bottom red line like this. Write on the line. Same here, in the next line again you have to trace and write. Come to here and then in the next 3 blocks you have to write on your own. In this way you have to finish all the blocks till here. So children, finish one page of this book, your maths workbook. So finish number 8 here, trace and write, take its picture and send it to me. Children, today I will teach you to write number 8. Look here children, this is 8. Now there are so many stars here, let's count them. We always start counting from number 1. So you also speak with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So children, 8 means this. So how many stars are there? 8 stars. 8 means this. Now I am going to teach you to write number 8. Look here children, the page of your notebook looks like this. You have to put your pencil here. Leave some gap from the upper line. Okay. Put your pencil here, and from here you have to make a semicircle, small semicircle. Then again make a opposite side semicircle like this. And then from here you have to go up and touch the dot. To join it with the starting point from where you have started. Look here. Or you can say it small c, then opposite c like this. It seems like number S, then go up and join the dot. In this way you have to write, and you have to write on the line. Okay. C, ulta C, then go up. In this way you have to join the dot. Okay. And after writing in one block, you will leave the next block. And you have to read the next line also. Look. Small c, ulta c, in this way. See, like this. So you have to make a movement of your hand while writing 8. Like this. There should be movement of hands like this. See, it's going up and down like this. Small c, then ulta c, then go up and join the point from where you have started. Like this you have to write number 8. In this way children, you have to write number 8. Now I will show you how you will write in your notebook. Children, now it's time to write number 8 in the notebook. Look here children, this is number 8, and 8 means what? Let's count these stars which I have made for you. We always start counting from number 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 stars. So 8 means this. Understand children? First we will write today's date. Today is 14th July 2021. Like this. Now let's start writing. Children, put your pencil here. Don't start from this line. Leave some gap. Okay. Then from here you have to make a small c and then a ulta c like this. Don't remove your hand. Go upward and touch the dot from where you have started. In this way you have to write number 8. Like this. And you have to write on the blue line. Look here. Small c and then ulta c like this, and then you have to go up like this. So there is lot of movement in number 8. Okay. So small c, then ulta c, then go upward and join it with the dot from where you have started. Like this. Children, now see, in this way you have to write number 8. Okay, look here. One semicircle, then again a semicircle, and then you will go up. So in this way you have to write number 8 in your maths notebook. Write it, take its picture and send it to me.